So what's up with our team at the John Bolos Group and what separates us from the rest? With our team, it's not just about the leads. We know as an agent, it's important to not only learn how to lead gen, but also learn how to feed yourself. With our program, we help you build your database with your own personal sphere, and then we host 4 events a year to keep you top of mind with your contacts and clients. Whether you're working with buyers or sellers, working in our CRM, or just have flat out questions on how to be a real estate agent, you've come to the right place. We offer daily training, one-on-one coaching when needed, and a leader that is present every day carrying out the vision for the team. You know, at the John Bolos Group, it's not just about business. Yes, we're here to work and be successful, but our team's positive energy and daily presence create a unique and motivating atmosphere. When everyone works towards a common goal, it truly makes a difference. Our team is focused on maintaining a positive mindset, driven by finding solutions and openly sharing information on how to be successful and implement best practices. Learn not only how to be successful as a real estate agent, but learn how to lead by example and contribution. We invest into the body, mind, and soul of our team to bring you the best version of you. With our team, we celebrate wins. From happy hours to go-karting to team building exercises to bike riding, we celebrate all milestones together, creating more unity and personal relationships with team members. Finally, we do have the leads, but not just any leads. Buyer and seller leads from platforms like Zillow, HomeLight, UpNest, Realtor.com, and Homes.com. We have hundreds of leads pouring in each month, allowing any agent to jumpstart their career or add additional transactions to an already producing agent. So what are you waiting for? This is the opportunity of a lifetime. Call us today and schedule your personal consultation where you will learn not only how to make $100,000 or more as an agent on our team, but also discover an unmatched culture with strong leadership. Call us today.